Firstly, that block that certain type of relative in your family. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, I would really appreciate if you can go and subscribe to my channel below. So I am Fiona D'Souza and I started my content creation this year in 2026 January. And let me tell you something, that there are a lot of things that in just 2 months I came to know. Firstly, that block that certain type of relative in your family, because they are genuinely going to come and tell you कि ओ ये चीज़ तुम्हारे ऊपर अच्छी नहीं लग रही, तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी इज़ नॉट, दिस इज़ नॉट यू, ये हमारे घर के संस्कार नहीं है, दिस एंड दैट. ओके, लॉट ऑफ स्टफ they are going to come and tell you, but the only thing that you can do is block them. Otherwise, एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे कान से निकाल दो, because you do not want that negative energy in your journey, right? Secondly, many of your friends जो हाई हेलो भी नहीं बोलते थे, है ना, जो कहीं दूर दूर से दिखते भी नहीं थे, suddenly when you start popping into their Instagram feed, they will come up, oh hi, how are you, blah and shit, right? It's important that you only engage with people you know that will help you to grow you, because always remember, somebody who is successful will appreciate the work that you are doing. Somebody who is into the creation world will come and appreciate you. Somebody who is doing something will come and appreciate you, but somebody who has nothing to offer will surely and 100% try of bringing you down. So that type of people you need to be aware. Always remember this, that do not quit in this process of becoming a creator or becoming a name and making your name as a brand to itself, because for some people this can be a very long journey, for some people this cannot be a long journey. So it's completely fine. You are doing you. You have to be you. The main part is that you have to be very authentic and you have to put your heart and soul out there. Do not worry about how long the process is going to be for you. Just remember this, करते रहना है, right? Now one more thing, that some people do not start this journey is because they always think about कि मेरा background अच्छा होना चाहिए, aesthetic होना चाहिए, I do not have a perfect lighting. I do not have a perfect lighting. I do not have a perfect background right now. You can see that. And I am only filming on my phone. I do not even have a DSLR or that perfect camera with me. I have one phone. Okay, I have the phone. I have a normal background. I have one light that is very much enough for me, I think, and a small mic. That's it. That is very much enough for you to start your journey. So do not wait for lot of things to, like, you know, ये ले लूँ वो ले लूँ फिर मैं कंटेंट क्रिएशन स्टार्ट करूँ, या तो ये एक और चीज़ आ जाएगी उसके बाद आई एम वेरी मच परफेक्ट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द जर्नी. Babe, dude, no. Start. Just start. The moment you will start, everything starts falling into place. You just need to start, and it is just not related to creation. Just start in general with whatever thing you really want to start. For example, if you want to start running, if you want to start a new sport, or if you want to have a double degree or triple degree, just start. Do not waste time, because it's 2026. Thousands of people who has less knowledge than you are growing much faster than you, because they have started, and that is exactly what you need to do. You just need to start. In the very end, creating can be boring sometimes. Many a times you might be out of inspiration, out of ideas, like what next should I do, but the only thing that you have to keep in mind, that you cannot stop in between of the process. इफ़ मेरी ये सारी बातें सुन के आप इंस्पायर हुए हो, या तो आपके वो एक कॉर्नर को हिट किया है इंस्पिरेशन का, I would really appreciate that if you can take a little bit of moment and subscribe to my channel below. So, as I say, see you around with my more videos.